Alaska's only a bucket list destination until you get here. Then it becomes a regular destination. I'm Captain John of Coldwater, Alaska. This is the Castle Cape, the boat that I'm running today.
What are we doing today?
You guys are heading over to Glacier Spit. You're gonna hike up to the Getgrowing Glacier Lake. If you feel like it, you can swim out to the icebergs, climb on top of one. Don't cut your feet. They're sharper than they look. And you're gonna have an awesome day.
Captain John, permission to board?
All right.
Okay.
6 feet.
Okay.
All right, let's fire it up. So Getgrowing Glacier is where we're heading. Going out to the Glacier Spit. It's a pretty mellow ride today. Almost no wind. We'll probably see some otters on the way. There's been a seal hanging out pretty close. We've seen some humpbacks, mickeys, and orcas over the last week around here, so there's always a possibility.
Land ho!
Hey everybody, let's go on an adventure and hike Glacier Spit Trail. It's pretty awesome. So it's time for a little bit of a break. This is one of the places we hiked to. This is a glacier lake, and you can see behind me the glacier is way off into the distance, and in the lake itself you can see some icebergs. This is completely incredible, and you can see my family behind me here having some lunch. Hi family. What a great view, right? Hey, what are you doing?
We just harvested part of a glacier, floated up by the shore here, and we grabbed it out. So,
What do you think about this hike?
Loved it. Very healthy. Probably the cleanest air I've ever.
Yeah, really the cleanest air. I noticed that my nostrils were almost like, what is this? Because it's so clean. But
I think it's a snow cone.
Dad, okay.
This is so beautiful. Look at this. Just saw a little iceberg. What they call, I think they call it calving, where half of it just fell right into the lake here. That's the glacier out there. Incredible. So tell me about the hike up here.
So the hike is about about close to 2.2 miles out from the Ketchimack Bay to Homer, out to what's referred to as Glacier Lake. So this is the first time I've made it to a lake with glaciers in it. I've hiked to glaciers before, but it's interesting just to see how much they have pieces come off and then move to it. And I'm guessing because the wind is coming away, that's why they're more on this side of the lake and not on the other end, or those on the other end are hitting on the bottom. So they say that a small percentage, I'm gonna say 10 to 20% is what you typically see, and 80% is under the water.
Any other last words about hiking in Alaska?
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Don't think that Alaska's all cold. Here we are in short sleeves. It's about 70 today. Obviously it's sunny and beautiful, beautiful weather.
I didn't lie to you though, I am from Nashville.
Great to see you, man. How's life?
That
That was an awesome hike. Let's go home. So, tell me about the hike, Gabe.
It's a fun walk up and better walk down. A little more challenging on the second side. So
And I think we saw some visitors on the way home, leave some remnants, right? Tell me about that.
there's some bear scat all over the place. Different spots. Poo and fur everywhere.
What do you think about your first trip to Alaska so far?
Pretty beautiful. It's very pretty. Oh yeah, it's a nice time. I like the air. Nice and cool.
You know, as you walk out in this fresh air and see these mountains, how does it make you feel?
Pretty cool. Pretty great. It's nice to be here. So I like it.
What's your favorite part of the trip so far?
So far Homer's been pretty good.
And spending time with your mom.
Right.
What an amazing trip here in Ketchimack Bay, and that was a great little hike all the way to Glacier Lake. You can see behind me as we're heading home, boys, that's an oyster farm right here in the bay itself, and so many wonderful little spots right here along the cove. Heading back, and now it's time for another adventure here in Alaska.